Shilpa Shingare here, President V Indus Societies Welfare Association, that is Vishwa. Thanks for watching me on YouTube and visiting my blog, that is CA Shilpa Shingare Real Cooperative Info blog. Thanks for putting your comments, and I do enjoy responding to them, but be specific while putting your queries, and do give a subject line to your query, right? Now today's educational video, it's a quick video and on handover and takeover, that is photo assignment as I call it. It's because I keep receiving queries on this handover takeover from the builder, that is a new society, like when a society is being formed. So I do get calls from the members, managing committee members or provisional committee members on how to deal with this situation. So handover and takeover is required or it is mandated under MOFA. So your developer has to hand over you all the documents related to your land and building, all the originals, whatever he is having, along with the accounts, because as per MOFA, the builder is supposed to maintain under section 5, I suppose is supposed to maintain the registers for the collections, for the outgoings, member wise, register 1 to 4, and then as a handover takeover process, he's supposed to give you he needs to share all the original documents related to your property, that is your land, and related to your building, that includes all the approvals, along with the accounts that he has maintained for your society or for your project. So if the society is not being formed by your builder, then you can form it. The first thing that you should be doing is you should form the society. You can go under non-cooperation and you can form the society, and then you can take handover takeover from your builder. If your builder has already formed the society, so just have a check whether it's being already formed, and then you can follow up with your builder to give you the handover takeover of all these approvals, I mean original documents related to your land and buildings, and everything related to your accounts. For, let's say your project was going on for last 4 years, so he must have collected the amount from you, he must have taken the ad hoc maintenance from you. So how he has collected, what he has collected, what he has expended, you can get the expenditure scrutiny done by the professionals. And even for this handover takeover, I think it is better if you involve the professional consultants who would be guiding you through this entire process, and who would be part of this handover takeover, who would be dealing with builder on behalf of you, and he or she will be ensuring the proper sign off of your handover takeover assignment. Because it's not that whatever builder is giving you should be taking it off and giving a signature saying that we have received everything, but you should be knowing what you are supposed to, you are as a provisional committee should receive from the builder, what is mentioned in the bylaw, because the bylaw also talks about the process of handing over or taking over from the by the provisional committee, because that is what the major or important job of the provisional committee is, to get the required documents, records from the builder, and then hand it over in turn to the regular committee. That is the job of the provisional committee also. So I would request everybody to kindly involve and take professional help in this, and be guided by the provisions of bylaw, and don't let your signature be put on the letter which your builder is or your developer is giving you, along with whatever documents he has shared. So you should be 100% sure that you have received whatever you are supposed to receive. That is what I can put it, and I will close this video. So anything related to your handover takeover queries, please reach to me on chs matter for cashilpa@gmail.com. That is chs matter, 4 is the number, for cashilpa@gmail.com. I would be definitely helping you through guiding you, or I will be helping you through to resolve your queries. And just keep watching me on YouTube, and please give your feedback on this video as well.